Sammy Milner, forward, class of 2018.
Rhea Vinod, defense, class of 2018.
Rebecca Pullen, midfield, class of 2018.
Hope D'Amato, forward, class of 18.
Kelly Sikora, forward, class of 2018.
Hannah Fackrell, forward, class of 2019.
Peyton Brooks, midfield, class of 2019.
Hannah Maley, defense, class of 2019.
Madison Cundy, forward, class of 2019.
Anna Barron, defense, class of 2019.
My name is Jade Beckett. I'm in the class of 2019 and I play midfield.
Angelina Clark, defense, class of 2019.
Julia Vaccaro, forward, class of 2019.
Chanel Braxton, class of 2019, defense.
Jenna Bachman, class of 2019, midfield.
Sydney Rubin, class of 2019, goalie.
Victoria Kennedy, midfield, class of 2020.
Jackie Zimmerman, class of 2020, defense.
Olivia McCafferty, class of 2020, midfielder.